Guys, it's Brooke. So I'm excited. My order from Bluestone came in, so let me show you what I got. So I ordered 6 heirloom type chrysanthemums. And so this is how they came boxed. I'm really impressed. I really didn't think about how they were gonna come, but this is great. Let me see if I can take this. Actually, let me take this into the kitchen so I can get this out without dropping anything. Okay guys, so I pulled it out of the box. So they gave me an envelope that has the packing sheet, my items, and the planting and care instructions. So let me take these out. Okay, so give me a little brochure. Okay, this is gardening guide. Open right away. Yeah. Well, I kind of knew that. Water any droopy or dry plants. Set your plants outdoors in a semi-shaded area until you're ready to plant. Okay, that's fine. So I'll put them in some dapple shade. That's what they recommend. I'll put them on my front porch. So then they're talking about, okay, so I thought they were going to give me some like instructions specific to chrysanthemums. So this is, okay, well, this isn't anything I didn't know. So, but let me see if I can pull these babies out so I could show you the various varieties. Okay guys, so they were, I guess, put in these like coconut core containers, and as you can see, this one's roots are actually growing out. I really don't like to plant them in there, even though I know you can, because I just find they don't break down quickly. So I will use like a pair of scissors just to cut those off. But just to go over the varieties, so the first one is Mum Show Off, and I'll flash a picture. Interestingly enough, they have like one of those QBR or QVC code thingies. So this one has dark red foliage in the fall, and then this one is called Mum Royal Glamour, and this is peach. And so then let's see, this is a football. I think this is a football mum. Yeah, it's French vanilla. That's going to go in the white section. And then there's Mum Chiffon, and that is a garden mum. It's light pink. And then this one is, let's see. Oh, Sheffield Pink. Okay, that's the one I saw at Hortless Farm that I've been dying to have. And this last one is called Mum Peace, and it is a soft yellow. So actually they're not wilting too bad. They seem to be in pretty good condition. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a plant tray, sit these baby in, and give them a little bottom water. I think they'll perk up really nicely. So these are really good sizes. Now I'm going to be getting some mums from a different, from the Central Carolina Society. Speaking of which, I got to go fill out my order form, and yeah, they'll be smaller than this, but yeah, I can't wait to get these babies in the ground. So I have 6, and I think from the Central Carolina Society I'm getting 8 more. So 14 is not a bad beginning. So anyway guys, that is pretty much it. So I will keep you guys posted as to how I'm doing with mums. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next video.